Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many React developers face when working with authorization in their web apps. The problem revolves around the React context resetting to default values upon page refresh or navigation, causing issues with maintaining user authentication status. Now, on to the solution. As mentioned before, the context value is designed to reset after a refresh, which leads us to explore other options for storing and managing authentication data. In this case, using Redux and storing the data locally or in cookies proves to be a more reliable solution. By implementing Redux, you can ensure that user authentication status is persisted between sessions, providing a seamless user experience. So, if you're facing a similar issue, diving into Redux tutorials would be a great next step. In summary, to overcome the challenge of React context resetting on page refresh, consider utilizing Redux for storing authentication data. This will ensure that user authentication status is maintained across sessions, offering a smoother user experience. I hope you found this information helpful in solving your authorization woes. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy coding.